Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by attaching the Motion Plus module to the Wii remote. Push it into the base until it clicks so contacts align. Once done, reinstall the cover and strap. Make sure the remote has fresh batteries for reliable calibration. Next, power the Wii and press home to connect the remote. You're doing this so the console recognizes the extra sensors. The Motion Plus adds gyro data, which improves rotation, tracking alongside the existing accelerometers. After attachment, sync the controller. Press the sync button on the Wii and then on the remote. Wait for the player LED. Once synced, launch the game and go to Controller or Motion Plus settings to calibrate. Follow prompts. Hold the remote still for zeroing, then rotate slowly to verify axes. Make sure to perform calibration on a flat surface and avoid magnetic interference, because gyro sensors need a stable reference to map motion accurately for gameplay. Begin playing with Motion Plus enabled modes. The game will use gyro input for smoother turns and precise gestures, so move at game-appropriate speed. Make sure your Wii has the latest system updates for compatibility, and update game software if prompted. If you see drift or misalignment, stop and recalibrate. Power cycle the console, reset the Motion Plus, and try a different remote to isolate hardware issues. One key troubleshooting tip: recalibrate when
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.